Okay, so this is question 3. So we're going to go ahead and do create vdisk. Okay, so I created a vdisk in my documents folder called vdisk. That's a VHD file. So if we go look at documents, boom, there it is. Okay, so now we're going to select, actually, yeah, we're going to select that vdisk. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. Okay. Now we're going to select the vdisk. Select, okay. Attach. Okay, so we attach the vdisk. Okay, now we're going to convert to MBR. Okay, now we have to hold on. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I had to figure out what was going on. Okay, so I created a primary partition. Now I need to format fs, and we want NTFS. Okay. And then we're going to do a quick format. Okay, and then sign letter. Which one did you want for this? Oh, okay, so we're going to assign it letter X. Boom, there we go. Okay, thanks.